In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com for editing and managing your Wix website with ease. Whether you're a seasoned user or a complete beginner, following these steps will help you customize and refine your site. First, start by heading over to wix.com and logging into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see an overview of your sites. This is your hub. From here, you can access all the sites you're working on. Look for the site you wish to edit and click on Edit Site to open it within the Wix editor. Now that your site is open in the editor, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the header section. Most Wix templates come with a logo placeholder in the header by default. If yours doesn't, don't worry. You can easily add an image manually by selecting Change Logo or Add Image in the header area. Simply upload your desired logo or choose one from the available options. Once your logo is in place, it's crucial to ensure it's positioned correctly. Depending on your design preferences, align your logo to the center, left, or right of the header. Take a moment to resize it as needed so it looks perfectly integrated within the header without overlapping any other elements. Next up, click on your logo and a set of tools will appear. One important thing to do is link your logo to a page so visitors can navigate your site easily. Click on Link, then choose a page. Select Home from the list. This step is essential because it ensures that when visitors click on your logo, they'll be directed back to the home page, a standard navigation feature for most websites. With those settings done, click Done. But we're not finished yet. You'll want to make sure that everything looks good on mobile devices. In the Wix editor, switch to Mobile View. Here, you can resize and reposition your logo to suit mobile screens, ensuring it doesn't overlap other header elements and remains visible just as it does on desktop. Once you're satisfied with how your logo looks in both views, click the preview button to see the changes. Check the appearance of your logo on both desktop and mobile views. Make any adjustments here if necessary. When you're happy with everything, it's time to make your changes public. Click Publish to apply all modifications, then finish off by clicking Done to save and close the editor. By following these steps, you've not only added a personal touch to your website through a logo, but also ensured functionality and visual consistency across platforms. Congratulations on taking another step forward in creating